Let's talk about red squares. What is too much red? This is too much red. When a student's screen has many red squares, the student is not demonstrating proficiency on the skills. Let's look at a student working on an assignment. A red square in an assignment is expected as the skills are brand new. When the student is working in mixed review, the student should not have many red squares. A student who was absent for an assignment or was stuck on a problem without assistance, or who may have forgotten how to solve a particular skill, may have red squares. Keep in mind, red squares indicate that a student doesn't currently understand the concept. Now this student is in the same class as the previous student shown. He has changed the colors of his squares to yellow, then green, and silver star. This student is demonstrating that he understood the concepts on the day they were taught, and he still recalls how to solve those problems over time. Remember what the colored squares indicate. Red is a beginning skill. On the first day that students practice a skill, they demonstrate initial understanding by changing the color of the square from red to yellow. After continuing to answer problems correctly on the first try for at least 3 days, they change the color of the square to green. For students to have silver or gold stars on a skill, they must have continued to answer problems correctly on the first try for a longer period. By changing the colors of their squares to green or better, students are indicating proficiency of concepts. By viewing proficiency data found in mixed review, teachers can see which students are showing accuracy over time, long-term retention. Teachers can also see which students may need more practice time or help with a skill. So how do teachers make sure students don't have too much red? Let's start with keeping assignments small, no more than 3 skills or 3 points per skill in an assignment. Before students start independent practice, make sure to use Get More Math for guided practice. The preview button allows teachers to view the assignment as a student, show students how to solve those problems, and enter their answers. The full screen button works for guided practice as well. And with this button, teachers can view the expected answers and cycle through several versions of those problems and show students how to enter their answers as well. Teachers should set a goal each day that includes the points from the assignment and points from mixed review. A quick way to set the goal is to double the assignment points. Be sure to click Switch to Mixed Review when there's class time remaining. The skills from today's assignment are in mixed review, and students will have time to ask questions about skills in mixed review before the end of class. While working when the teacher is not online, students have skips available when working in mixed review. Consider having a mixed review day. Make all assignments unavailable and have students work in mixed review for the day. Some teachers even have a green club to encourage students to get their squares to green or better. Green or better, that accuracy over time is how to make math stick.